nothing gonna do. Oh, blue. Thank you very much. Woo, thank you. His appropriate song for tonight, Kentucky Rain. Seven lonely days, a dozen pounds ago, I reached out one night, you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to or from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So walking through the rain, coming for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. Love too much too long, my love's too strong to let you know, never knowing what went wrong. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll go walking through. The rain in my shoes, searching for you. Oh, Kentucky rain, oh, Kentucky rain. Showed your photograph to some old gray-bearded man sitting on a bench outside a general store. They said yes, she'd been here, but the memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No, wait, the day before. Finally got a ride with a preacher man who asked where you're bound on such a cold, dark afternoon. As he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained, and he left me with a prayer that I'll find you. Kentucky rain keeps pouring down, and up ahead another town that I'll go walking through. With the rain in my shoes, searching for you. In cold Kentucky rain. Thank you very much.